It's always like a delay.
Okay,
For you, it's not delayed.
I can't do this one. I've been doing them all. I can't really.
What is it? This is nasty.
Very sweet.
Oh, I gotta go one. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Like gum. What does yours taste like? Oh, do you want water?
It tastes expired.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and I hope you guys are staying safe. In today's video, we're going to do something a little bit different. It's going to be a game and we are playing Never Have I Ever, the sewing edition. And I've got two amazing guests with me. You guys know who they are and they're going to introduce themselves shortly. However, we're going to do the usual. So you guys already know we do sewing tutorials on here. And if that's something you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on the awesome content that I make for you. All right, over to my guests. Priscillia?
Hi.
Do you want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Priscillia. I am a Nigerian YouTuber and fashion designer based in the UK. Thank you for having me, Ayo.
Yeah, what's your channel name?
Oh, it's called Kim Dave.
You guys all
Sorry.
know her
I
anyway.
was going to say, we forgot the main bit.
You guys all know her anyway.
Sorry.
Yeah, and I've got my second guest here, Tammy.
Hi everyone, my name is Tammy Silva. I'm relatively new to YouTube, but I'm a pattern maker and a sewing blogger.
And she is amazing. They're both amazing. You guys already know them. And if you're not following them, I'll link their channels in the description box below. Please make sure to follow and subscribe, and follow them on social media as well. They're absolutely amazing. They do interesting tutorials, guys. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. And I'm going to read the rules of the games for you guys.
Okay.
So the rule is if you've done an action in the question, you take a jelly bean and you must chew for 5 seconds, right? You have to chew for 5 seconds.
Okay, and then we can spit it out after.
Where are you spitting it to?
Oh, we have to,
So we must
swallow.
Yeah, but my point is, I don't want you guys to just forge it and just
Okay,
swallow.
fine.
You have to at least chew it, right?
Okay.
So are we ready? And
Yeah.
that's the jelly bean, and Tanya's going to be passing it for
Okay,
us,
I'll
please.
pass it around.
Thank you.
Oh Lord.
So the first one is, never have I ever ripped out the same seam twice.
I've done that how many times? Like,
Everybody.
I've done that as well.
you're just doing questions that we're going to have to eat every single
Go on.
We'll just be eating throughout. Are you eating too?
I am.
Because you've done it as well.
Okay, let's see. I don't know what
You
this
picked
is.
a blue one.
I feel like I
right?
just want to close my eyes.
Let
and
me
pick
go for
one.
pink.
Go on. Are we ready?
Yeah.
It might be good. Let's see.
I don't want to.
I got a good one.
No,
I got a good one.
this is nasty.
Very sweet.
Oh, I gotta go one. Oh,
I got
thank
good
you,
one.
Jesus.
What does it taste like?
Like gum. What does yours taste like? Oh, do you want water?
It tastes expired.
Oh.
So guys, we're using.
Oh.
Let me tell them what we're using. We're using Bin Bizzled, and basically some of them taste really rotten and horrible. So that's why they're making faces.
That's the only me that gets that one.
My dear. good
Don't
luck
worry,
with
we're
you
probably
too.
all gonna get it. So next question: never have I ever taught someone else to sew.
Oh, of course I have.
I have as well.
Are you going to make us eat throughout this video?
I'm hoping this one will be nice.
My first one was good. Only God knows what I'm going to get next.
Let's see.
Okay. Are we ready?
No, guys. Can I not do it?
This is bad.
You know what? This one tastes like spicy egg.
No, this tastes like spoiled egg. This is
Ooh, wow. It's a chemistry experiment happening in my mouth.
I
It's like
can't,
rotten,
guys.
spicy, and
no, this is
Oh,
vile.
it's a no.
This stinks. This stinks.
it's a definite
Okay.
no.
Never have I ever given up on a project that was too difficult.
I'm not even going to say anything.
This one.
Just take it.
I have. Wait, I took that color before.
I need a sweet one.
You never had a sweet one?
No.
I feel like
The one I just had tastes like rotten egg.
Okay, I thought like we had the same flavor.
It's horrible. It's disgusting.
I'm afraid to eat this one because the one I just ate is
I
so.
mean-
Okay, take it like a boss.
This is even worse.
No, this is terrible.
This tastes like a cleaner, like a cleaning agent.
This is disgusting, guys. Okay, but just so in like a few words, can you actually share like what got you through? Like, obviously, I'm sure in recent times you've done that less, giving up on projects.
Yeah. You know what? Like, if a project is not interesting anymore, and you know when you're making something and then it's just like everything is going wrong, no matter how much you try and salvage it, so that's normally when I leave a project.
Yeah.
I feel like I don't leave it because it's too hard, like technically, but I just don't have that perseverance to like carry on when everything is going wrong.
Yeah.
And that's when I kind of.
Yeah. And I think people will think, oh, you guys are like, you've been sewing for a long time, so you don't give up. So, do you give up on stuff? Like,
yeah, it's like what you said. It's like you just reach a point and your ginger is gone.
Yeah.
And you're just like, what is it? And let me just move on to the next project.
Yeah.
Save my energy.
It's the same with me. I have abandoned projects as well.
But do you ever go back? Because I feel like it's harder to go back once it's...
I know all my abandoned projects.
You don't go back to it.
There's one shirt I cut since last year.
Oh my god.
That shirt is still somewhere.
Okay, next one. Never have I ever stepped on a pin.
Oh, all the time.
I have. Go on.
Ah, my last
And my floor is even carpet, so it gets lost.
Oh yeah, you won't
It
even
gets lost on
see
the
it.
floor, yeah.
I hope this is good.
I don't want to look at the bowl. I just want to pick and eat because it's like the one you think is good.
I've only had one good one, guys.
Guys, I haven't had any good ones. My luck has been terrible.
This is vile.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. I need water.
Cool. I've actually tried.
Oh,
This has been the fourth one.
oh, who invented these things?
George,
you need to
can you
have
sit
some.
down?
George, come. Can
Can we get some
You
water?
need to take two. George, can you please take two of these things? So you guys, you can see how horrible it is. They had to get water because they don't taste nice. So the next one. Never have I ever been asked to make alterations or repairs for someone else. You've never.
I want to lie.
I was gonna say. I get asked every single time.
I'll take another sweet.
Tammy wants to lie because Tammy. No one's asked
Tammy,
No one has. No,
Tammy,
you know what? No one has
I
actually
know.
ever asked me before.
I know.
I just don't. Yeah, it's never happened to me.
Tammy, I know you've been asked.
So
Come on.
you go.
Tammy, go for it. Go for
You
it.
go.
Here you go. Here you go, babes. Take one. I think you should try that one. It might be good. It looks.
This is a white. I feel like I've had white
Priscillia
before.
said if they look pretty, they taste worse. So this doesn't look pretty.
I'm afraid.
It's kind of yellow.
Let's have a go. Okay.
Hey, God, please give me sweet one.
That was a good one. I'm happy.
Is it good?
Okay.
Have you had a good one?
Yeah.
I feel like
I feel like mine is normal.
I will not get this. I will not get.
Priscilla, the smell is doesn't help.
No, this one's okay.
Good, yeah.
Do we still need to chew for 5 seconds?
Yeah, you still need to chew for 5 seconds.
But who do you normally do like alterations for? Do you do it for family, friends?
I've stopped it now.
Okay. Sorry, she's having a mini meltdown. Describe. What does it taste like?
What does it taste like? Tell us.
Like onions? Or...
Onions and liver. It might be onions and liver.
No, but how did they get this flavor? They actually cook it and make it into a sweet. I need to understand. That's good.
Chew for 5 seconds and then you're good.
Sorry.
That's okay. It's part of the game.
Oh my days.
So do you, I mean, like I said, I try not to. I
Yeah,
kind
yeah.
of made a rule of thumb, like I'm not doing alterations just because I feel like alterations they're harder when I didn't make the outfit especially.
Yeah.
I have to find out how the person has made it and then take it out and then, yeah, so I've stopped it. But I used to do it for family and friends. Really.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I live at home, so I can't even avoid it.
Yeah.
Like I do alterations for my sister, my mum,
Yeah.
basically everybody. And to be fair, I don't mind. But if you ask me to do something, best believe it will take me like 3 months. So you need to plan it.
Yeah.
If you need an outfit in like 6 months time, okay, that's when you come to me. If you need it tomorrow, you're actually out of luck.
It's
Like,
like,
it's
fair
tough
because
time.
you have your own like things you're doing.
Yeah,
you can't
it's-
just expect you to.
And it will be at the bottom of
On
my
your list.
to-do list.
Yeah.
It
What
will
do you do
always be
alterations for,
shifting there.
Priscilla?
I have done like for my sister-in-law. I've done for friends.
Okay.
I think I did one for George at one point. I think it was like hemming his pants or
Okay.
something really simple.
Simple,
But
okay.
like mostly for family and friends. I tend to say no, because it's
Yeah.
like what you said. It might be I'm constructed in a way that I will now have to unpick and go in and redo, and if something goes wrong, I'll take the blame that
You take the
you
blame,
were doing the
exactly.
alteration and you ruined the
No,
dress. So.
absolutely, I agree. Never have I bought too little fabric. So not
You know what? I know.
You don't know what?
Honestly, no. I always overshoot.
Okay, I've bought fabric and I was like, I need half a yard more. I need half a yard more.
I actually always overshoot.
Okay, can you please
You see this thinking?
Can you pass?
It's my wedding dress. I was about to say, I was about to say, I haven't. And then I was like, yeah.
It's on YouTube.
I cannot even lie.
It's
Let me
on
just
YouTube.
close my eyes
We
and
have
pick
the
one.
receipts.
We have evidence.
Oh, I'm so happy I can skip this round. It's still gross. I feel like they've put
another
more.
good one.
No, they've put more. You've been getting good ones.
You've been getting good ones.
I thought good one. Okay, never have I ever. Sorry. Okay, never have I ever broken a needle twice in the same project.
All the time.
No, actually.
No.
Okay, you see, that's you, and of course, I made one outfit last.
When I sew like sequins and stuff,
Yeah.
like all the time.
I avoid sequins.
Oh, you don't sew sequins?
Oh, beaded fabric.
Beaded fabric, I avoid them if I can.
I'm shocked. So you don't sew lace like at all?
I have made lace pieces, but it's like soft lace.
Yeah, you made lace for your sister's wedding, wasn't it?
My sister's wedding, my own wedding dress, and then like clients like custom dresses.
Okay.
But anything that has bead, I would break the bead along the seam allowance.
This is nice. Sorry, I haven't.
I'm sorry. What is this?
Ooh,
No, this was not good. It was not good.
I swear some of the flavors is just like, what is that? I don't even want to know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're rounding up now. We just got a few more questions to answer. Okay. Never have I ever sewn a sleeve inside out or onto the wrong side. Tammy, you have.
No, don't even try it.
Tammy, you have. Your look
Can
was
you
like,
let me-
you hesitated.
Can you? If we do like, if you've done one but not the other one, can I eat like half a sweet?
No.
You know you still bite into the sweet.
I've not
Inside
sewn.
out
I've not sewn
or-
it to the wrong side.
You've done it inside out.
I've done it inside out.
It's the same
I'm gonna
thing.
say half a sweet because I feel like that's. You said 2 points.
No,
And
it's
and
one
I only got
question.
one.
It's one question.
All right, you first.
I'm just,
I haven't-
Okay, you get a good one. You get a good one.
I haven't had a green one before.
Amen. Lord, please give me a good
You
one.
get a good one.
I've eaten like 5 in a row, and my teeth is just like, I can't take another.
Is this
bite.
the last question?
No, there's just 2 more. And then
Okay. Finally. I mean, wait, I take it back. Jesus. This one was deceptive. The beginning was good, and then it now became worse as I ate.
I think that's still the same egg. It's the same egg that's been following me
rotten
since the
egg.
start of the video.
You need some water.
Oh my God.
Wow.
No, the flavors are
Who
vile.
invented this thing? This person needs to be
Flavors are
fined.
vile.
They need to be fined. Aye. How can you give this to
Vile.
people's children to eat?
Okay, never have I ever left a scorch mark or burnt a project with an iron.
My iron is premium.
Oh yeah, I like
You
that
know-
iron.
you know the
I
iron
saw it,
I
yeah,
use.
I'm getting it. She has a
I
really
don't-
nice. She has a really cool iron.
I
Really cool.
I don't know what's it called.
What's
This
it called?
It's one of the
Sterovat
professional
steam
ones
iron.
It's got like a steam box. And
It's,
everything.
yeah, it's
Oh, I
got
think I
like
saw the video you did about
yeah.
it.
And
It's
that's
got-
why I'm getting one.
exactly, yeah.
That's my
No, it's good. It's got a massive tank, like steam tank, and the actual iron is like metal. So even like when I press organza, tulle, like really fine fabrics on high heat, it actually doesn't burn it at all.
Oh, that sounds like a
Yeah,
really good
it's so
iron.
good.
Yeah.
It's so good.
It was like what 300 quid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not too bad.
I think I've had it for like 2-3 years now.
That's what she said. Yeah.
And that's how it's lasted me. Yeah.
Yeah, I finished like the whole garment. I was gonna deliver it to the customer, and then I was like, I had to change the whole part.
But was it
top
like-
part of it.
Was it a massive burn
It
mark?
was a
Oh
massive burn.
God.
It was like, what happened to Priscillia today? She used the iron.
Yeah.
See, I think that's why you told me don't iron that dress. It's
That's
not
what
you.
happened to
Just
you today. That's what would have happened to you. So
Well,
yeah,
you know what that means.
Wow, very very aggressive girl.
Go on.
Trust the process, Priscilla. Trust the process. Let's hope that's
my
good.
hand is shaking.
Cheers.
It's like cheers.
It's always like a delay.
Okay,
Okay, for you it's not delayed.
I can't do this one. I've been doing them all. I can't do them.
What is it? What does it taste like?
Only on the liver.
Nah, that's not.
Though, I know what that one tastes like. That one is disgusting.
And what's yours? What's
And
yours?
it builds. Oh, this is birthday cake, so I'm happy.
Oh, nice.
I finally get a reward. Oh, do you want tissue? Oh, Pele. Don't taste mine.
Alright.
It builds. That onion one there. It's like the more you chew it, the worse it gets.
Oh my
Though.
god. That's the worst one.
What's the worst one?
That's the worst one.
I don't know what my flavor is. Like that.
You need to try it. I think take one of the brown ones next.
No, those brown
It's like
ones
an
are
egg
deceptive.
taste. I don't know what. Yeah.
There's a good one and there's a bad one. You might get the good one. Give it a go. Okay, last question, guys. Never have I ever sewn through my finger or something I shouldn't have sewn through. And I would like an explanation.
I've definitely pricked my finger on.
I've sewn
On
through
an iron.
my thumb.
Jesus.
The needle came broke
No.
that way.
No, but did it go through like
It
all the way
went
to
through
the
my
end?
thumb. Yes, it went through my thumb. It split my
On the
it split my
on the
nail.
sewing machine.
Yes.
What?
But you know, like the industrial ones.
Oh, those ones are very, those ones are very strong.
'Cause
Yeah.
Like the Yuki, that one.
Yeah. You need to get. You know what I have on mine is like a needle guard.
Oh,
So you know
it
in front of
prevents
the
your.
foot, like it has.
Yeah.
So your hand can basically never go past that point.
Right. It was painful.
Yeah, I can imagine because they're very fast. Like that forces a lot.
Yeah. It
Ooh,
was
though.
painful. Anyway, have you sewn through your fingers?
I've sewn, I've sewn through my finger. Not like you, but it's definitely like pricked and stuff. Even when I do like hand sewing, my fingers are looking rough. Like by the end.
Hand sewing, yes,
Yeah.
like with needle and thread or with
Yeah.
like a pin, but not on the machine like yours. That sounds painful.
Yeah,
That
it
sounds-
was
Oh
painful.
my
It was very
God.
painful. Have you cut your hand with a rotary cutter?
No, what are you doing? It's
I'm just saying, like, oh, so you guys don't
You're just harming yourself.
But in Nigeria, they'll tell you that, you know how it is when they have to do this freedom thing? They'll say until you've pricked yourself or cut yourself, you don't,
Oh,
it's
is
superstition,
it?
you don't know how to sew. That's like the belief.
But still, a whole needle
Yeah.
through your finger. No.
I know, but it was wild. It was
No,
wild.
I don't use rotary cutters.
Okay, I haven't forgotten. We still had to do the
Oh,
gem
yeah,
again.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
One
Oh no,
final
I need
one.
to take one as well.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you pricked yourself. Yeah. Go on. It's the last one.
You know what? I was ready to go on to the next point to be like, okay, like just carry on talking.
No.
And let's forget about this.
It's the last question, so it's the last one.
I had a good one last time. Oh God, please let me end well. This one is blue.
Yeah. Blue means what?
I don't know. I don't have tissue again.
Oh, it's good. I'm done.
It tastes like toothpaste.
I don't know if I even like.
I think it's good, but the onion and liver is still.
It's still
in my mouth.
lingering.
My one's actually alright.
Congrats.
Are we ending on the positive?
Congratulations to
Congrats.
you.
I'm happy.
Ooh,
This
yes.
is nice.
Okay, so any other experience that you want to share before we round up? Anything particularly out of all the questions?
As long as I'm not getting bean afterwards.
I was gonna say this is a trap.
Yeah, but it
All
was
good.
it was a nice game. I
Yeah.
enjoyed it, and I'm glad we didn't have to use like alcohol, vodka, and it was like I got the reactions I wanted to get.
man, you-
And when you see the playback with your face, I'm gonna make sure.
Please. Have messing when you're editing because I'm sure our faces were like.
We did the most.
Yeah, we did. But all right, guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Thank you so much for joining us. And thank you to my amazing guests, Priscillia and Tammy. Love you guys so much. And yeah, thank you guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. See you soon. Bye.